Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a casting which is by Matchbox and it's a Radical SR3 XXR. It's a lightweight sports car and I think it was new for 2024. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Radical SR3 out of its box and I must say it looks good. Especially the wheel combo with the paint job, the red paint job. These wheels actually look good. They don't look bad. Now, let's move to the front and see how does it look from the front. So up front you can see some good details. You got the detailed headlamp, you got the Radical badge, black strip going all the way from front to the cockpit, I guess. Also you can see this big, what's called splitter, I guess. Again, it's all for aerodynamics, I guess. You can also see the roll cage and 2 seats. Everything is for making it more aerodynamic, I guess, more ground force. Now let's move to the driver's side. Again, you can see there are like big intakes which can suck more air. It seems like it's a rear engine car or mid-engine car. The engine should sit below this, I guess. I was talking about the wheels before. They look nice here. Again, body kit, if you see on the side, it's more for aero. Same goes for the roll cage. Interior, it doesn't have a conventional steering wheel. It's more of a racing wheel, squarish kind of shape. So that's different. You can also see this big spoiler in the back. Again, more aero stuff going on. In the back, it's got some good details. You can see the diffuser, twin exhaust. I can see the grille in the back, but I don't know where the tail lamp is. Might be somewhere here, I'm not sure, but again looks good from the back too. Now coming to the passenger side or co-driver side, looks almost identical. Don't see any major differences. This is how it looks from the top, this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall I see some good details on it. I haven't seen this car before, so I'm not sure how does it look compared to like the actual car. But it looks nice, good detail, especially for a mainline. It looks really good. Should you get it? Well, it depends on you. If you like these kind of cars, Caterham, Lotus, old Lotus 7 kind of thing, or Ariel Atom, then you're gonna like this casting too. It's got details, nice details. Well, that's what I think. Let me know what you think about this one. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.